expensive microphones to do your videos when you can get this microphone for $3.99 on the TikTok shop. I'm gonna link it below for you. Stop buying expensive microphone. Now you be thinking, where is the sound coming from? This is me right over here, and I'm speaking in a very low and sexy voice. Go grab one of these microphones, and I'm gonna try and see if I can jump over this thing. Let me back up a bit, and I'll try to see if I can jump over this thing. I hope I don't fall. Go grab